Welcome everyone, welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning back in. If you're new here, my name is Brandon. I'm a professional makeup artist here in Chicago, and I'm here to teach you some fun things about makeup. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. This week I'm super excited because we're trying the ever so popular Haus Labs Foundation from Lady Gaga. This is their Triclone Foundation. This has a lot of really great reviews on Sephora.com and on the houselabsfoundation.com website. So I've been really excited to pick it up. I went to Sephora. I think they have around 40 different shades. I picked out one of my colors and we're gonna try it here together. So if that looks like something you're interested in, let's do it. It's gonna be a little bit of a different video for me. This is gonna be a little bit of an unboxing, review, first try on video. So I have it right here. I haven't even opened it yet. I do have it in the color 200 light, medium, and neutral. So you can see right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I really love the box. It's really fresh, clean, and white. It has a beautiful unicarton, and the Haus Labs imprinted is right here. So the lights are kind of blowing it out, so you kind of can't see it. But I'll get a little bit closer, and maybe you guys, well, not be able to see it. So that's okay. Let's open it up. So this is a 1 ounce bottle, which is 30 fluid or 30 milliliters. Alright, so right off the bat, it is a beautiful frosted bottle, which I really like. It is very nice and weighted. It has that H up here for the Haus Labs logo, which I think is really sexy and sleek. And this is a fluid triclone foundation. So this is a super long-wearing, hypoallergenic, clean formula according to Sephora.com. This is really beautiful because it has fermented arnica in it. So the fermented arnica is going to help soothe the hydrated skin. It's also going to help tone down any redness. And then it also helps to protect the skin from environmental factors and free radical damage. So that's super cool. So we're going to try a little bit on my hand and see what it feels like. So you can see that it has a really nice, beautiful weighted pump, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and give it a pump on the back of my hand, just like that. So 2 pumps. You can see that this is a very fluid foundation. It is very beautiful in texture. It has a little bit of a high shine. I'm going to take the Cover FX foundation brush. So this is a synthetic foundation brush. This is nice because you can use this with liquid powder or cream products. So I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, grab my mirror, and we're going to apply this together to see how it looks and how we like it. So I'm going to turn up my lights just a little bit. Alright, so I have it fresh on my hand, and we're got my Cover FX foundation brush. Let's do it. So what I'm noticing right off the bat is that a little bit goes a long way. It is very fluid. It does have a pretty nice coverage to it. It's a solid medium coverage, but I think you could definitely build it to full. So you guys can see it's pretty perfect, giving me a very glowy, like high shine finish. I'm going to take just a little bit more on the back of my hand, going to the other side so you guys can see up close. So I'm using this synthetic brush, which is nice because this can be used really easy. You can use this in circular motions to kind of blend and buff, or you can swipe it, kind of like I'm doing, and to build the coverage in the skin. So I'm going to take a little bit more what's on my hand, one on my chin. So far the foundation feels really nice and lightweight. It doesn't feel very heavy. There's not a really strong scent, which is kind of nice. Let me take a little bit more. So I'm going to grab one more pump and do a little bit more on my forehead right in here. But you can see so far so good. Really beautiful, flawless coverage. I think that this is a great match for me. I chose a neutral color because I'm pretty neutral. I do have yellow and red tones on my skin. So a neutral tone is going to allow me to put a blush on to kind of warm it up and give it a little bit of a different color, or put a bronzer on to give it more warmth as well. So I'm going to go in and apply just a little bit more on the back of my hand. So far I really like this foundation. Really beautiful, very natural. As you can see. go ahead and buff on the skin what's in the brush. Quickly, I'm going to go over my eyelids really fast, just to tone down any redness. Because this foundation has that arnica in it, it'll be really nice to soothe any redness around the eyelids. And buff it into my beard. Alright. So I'm not going to apply any concealer or anything like that. I really wanted to test the foundation and see what the color really looks like, what the formula really looks like. I'll get closer so you guys can see up close. So you can see I do have a breakout right there, but it did cover it. You can't see a lot of the redness coming through. And you really can't see the breakout from far away or on camera. It's really when I get closer. But on this side, you can see it's very flawless, really nice, very natural finish. It has a very, very like smooth complexion to it, which I really like. It has a little bit of that high shine. And then I think it's pretty much self-setting, which is nice. So it's that long-wearing formula. So it doesn't say if it's like an 8-hour, 12-hour, 16-hour. It doesn't say exactly what the hours is, but I can definitely test it out and let you guys know if you really want to know. All right, guys. So yeah, so this is a little bit closer so you guys can see what it looks like. A really beautiful hydrated finish. It does have a natural sheen to it. It is pretty self-setting because it's that long-wearing formula, very clean ingredients. This is the Haus Labs Foundation in the color 200 Neutral. I really like it, and I think that it is really beautiful. So if you guys have a little bit of money to splurge, it is around $45, so it is a little bit pricier on the higher end luxury foundation side because you do get that really beautiful weighted bottle and frosted glass finish and the beautiful arnica fermented ingredients, so you're paying a little bit more for that luxury and higher skin kind of skincare meets makeup price point. But I think you guys would really like it. It's a really beautiful foundation, very easy to wear. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of blush and a little brow gel, and I'll come back and show you what the complete look is going to be like. Everyone, so I went ahead and applied a little brow gel and a little cream blush along with this foundation so you guys can see what it would look like with just a little bit more makeup on. I think the foundation is really beautiful, very hydrated looking, very smooth, has a very, very flawless, even complexion. I think that it could be built up to a little bit more of a full complexion if you do build it in very sheer, soft layers. I really like the packaging, I really like the bottle. I think that it's definitely a great investment because it has those skincare and makeup benefits. I think you guys would really like it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. I can't wait to do more Makeup Artist Mondays for you. Please follow me on Instagram at artistrylikebam for more reels, and then those are some really short clips so you can see more video try-ons and what I'm doing day to day. And until next Makeup Artist Monday guys, I'll see you soon. Alright, thanks. Bye.